Hello, my name is Ruben Duarte, I'm a geographer and a GIS specialist, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use Chatgpt and the website Overpass Turbo to download all the geographic data you need. Without further delay, let's jump into the video. This is the website we're going to use, overpass-turbo.eu. On the right side we have the map, and on the left there's a window where we'll write the code that will extract the data we need. For example, we can see that there are some trees represented in the urban area. We can even start by trying to download these trees. To do that, I'm going to open Chatgpt and write the following request. I want to download data from Overpass Turbo. I want to use the bounding box, B-box, as extent, so the map that is represented, and I want to download 3 elements. Let's ask for the result. The part we need is this small piece of code right here. We just need to click copy, go back to Overpass Turbo, paste the code into the editor, and then click to execute. We now have all the trees selected. If we click on them, we can even see some information about each one. In this case, it says this is a natural tree, and we also have the coordinates. And to download the data, we click on Export and choose the desired format. I'm going to choose KML, click Download. Now we drag and drop the trees into the GIS software. I will click Add Layers. So there we go, we have some points that represent trees. Let me just drag and drop also the Google satellite to see, to have a base map. Here we have some trees displayed, and we can see that not all of them are represented in OpenStreetMaps, at least at that scale. To export this KML file into a shapefile, it's super easy. We just right-click on the object, go to Export, and then save feature as. The format needs to be as rich shapefile. We give it a name. We can also choose the location here on these 3 dots, and then we click OK, and the file will be converted into a shapefile. Let me remove the KML, and we can also open the attribute table to see some details. Here we only have the ID and the field, natural field. Let's go back to Overpass Turbo and download another type of data. This time I'm going to select these libraries here, the literature library, the mathematics library, and also the archaeology library. So going back to Chatgpt, we just need to ask now for the same bounding box. I want to download libraries. So it will give us a new code, this one here. We just need to copy this code, delete this one, paste the new one, and click to execute. And as you can see, we have these 3 buildings selected. I used it to select trees and libraries, but you can create queries to download any available data, such as bars like we see here, buildings, parking lots, or even roads. That's all for today. I hope you find this helpful. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this type of content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what you want to learn next.